I'm going to show you how to build a budget creamy keyboard. This is the Epilmaker Fecker Galaxy 80, and this bare bones kit cost me $60. I also picked out some budget switches, the WS Marandis, EF Grayish, and Gateron Milky Yellow Pro. Now I don't expect anyone to buy GMK keycaps because they're very expensive, but you can throw any keycaps on this board and it's guaranteed to sound creamy. So I have never tried a tactile switch before, so I'm going with the Gateron EF Grayish switches. And as you can see, my GMK keycaps came super jumbled up like that, which I was super disappointed about. This is what the board looks like put together. As you can see, it was super easy. It took me about 30 minutes to get this put together. And honestly, I am really loving the look. I think it matches perfectly with my desk setup, but looks aren't everything, so we have to put it to a sound test. That is a creamy sounding keyboard. You can find every single part I used in my storefront on Amazon. I got 2 switches left. Which one should I try next? The Marandis or the Milky Yellow Pros?